Hi students, today we are going to learn about venation. In the previous class or in the previous video, we have done about leaf, parts of leaf and types of leaves. Today we are going to learn about venation. Venation. First, let's see what is venation. The arrangements of veins and veinlets in a leaf is called venation. What is venation? The arrangements of veins and veinlets in a leaf is called venation. Now venation, there are two types. Number one, reticulate venation. Number two, parallel venation. Now what is reticulate venation? These veins are arranged. The veins are arranged in a leaf which is irregular. Veins are arranged, veins and veinlets are arranged in a leaf which is irregular is called reticulate venation. Second one is parallel venation. From this leaf itself you will understand. Veins are arranged in a parallel way. That is why it is called parallel venation. Now reticulate venation, example. Leaves which is people trees leaf, mango trees leaf. These are reticulate venation example. Parallel venation example, wheat leaves, then sugarcane leaf, banana leaf. These are examples of parallel venation. What is venation? Venation is the arrangement of veins and veinlets in a leaf is called venation. Two types of venation, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation, in this leaves, the veins and veinlets are arranged irregularly. Example, people tree leaf, then mango tree leaves, jackfruit tree leaves. Then parallel venation, veins are arranged in a parallel way. Example, sugarcane leaf, banana leaf, then what else? Sugarcane, banana leaf and then wheat leaves. Okay, these are the examples of parallel venation. Next is phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy. What is phyllotaxy? The arrangement of leaves on a stem. The arrangements of leaf on a stem is called phyllotaxy. There are three types of phyllotaxy. Three types of phyllotaxy. One is opposite. Opposite phyllotaxy. Example, this kind of arrangement is called opposite phyllotaxy. This kind of arrangement of leaves on a stem is called opposite phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy. Next is alternate. Alternate phyllotaxy. That is One leaf will be on this here, and then other leaf will be here. Then again here. Okay, this kind of arrangement is called alternate phyllotaxy. You understand? Phyllotaxy, there are 3 types. Number 1 is opposite phyllotaxy. When the leaf is arranged on the stem on both the side, opposite, just opposite to each other. This kind of arrangement is called opposite phyllotaxy. Then second one is alternate phyllotaxy. When the leaves are arranged alternate, okay, this way, that is called alternate phyllotaxy. Then third one is whorled phyllotaxy. W-H-O-R-L-E-D, whorled phyllotaxy. This is system, okay. This way arrangement, around. Leaves are arranged around the stem. This way, around. It is called whorled phyllotaxy. Okay, phyllotaxy, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is called phyllotaxy. There are 3 types of phyllotaxy: opposite phyllotaxy, alternate phyllotaxy, whorled phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy, on the stem the leaves are on both the sides, just opposite to each other. Then alternate phyllotaxy, on the stem the leaves are alternate. Then third one is whorled phyllotaxy, around the stem the leaves will be there. Okay, so this kind of arrangement is called whorled phyllotaxy. Examples of opposite phyllotaxy is tulsi leaves, jasmine, tulsi. These are the examples of opposite phyllotaxy. Then alternate phyllotaxy, mango leaves, then rose leaves. These are all alternate phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy, asparagus leaves. That is example of whorled phyllotaxy. Now we'll see functions of leaf. Functions of leaves. What are the functions of leaves? We studied in the lower class the first function, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. We know this. What is photosynthesis? Leaves are known as kitchen of the plant. Why? Because leaves prepare food for the entire plant. Now for this photosynthesis, leaves need sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll already present in the leaves. So with all this, the leaves prepare food. That process is called photosynthesis. Second one is exchange of gas. Exchange of gas. Which gas leaves exchange? Carbon dioxide and oxygen, like us. But then here in this leaf, exchange of gas is a little bit different from human beings. During daytime, leaves need carbon dioxide to prepare food for the entire plant. So, leaves needs carbon dioxide during daytime. So, leaves breathe in carbon dioxide and then it breathe out oxygen, which we breathe in. You understand? For the photosynthesis, leaves need carbon dioxide. So, during daytime, leaves breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. That exchange of gas is there. That is one function of leaf. Third one, transpiration. Third function is transpiration. You know, during rainy season, so much of water is there in the leaves. Because of rain, too much of water, it gets absorbed in the leaves, which is extra for that leaves that has to throw out. So you all know, to breathe the leaves, on the leaves there is stomata. There is a small holes are there on the leaves. These holes are called stomata. Through stomata, it breathe in and breathe out. Through the same stomata, the excess water it throw out. Not like drops. It is like vapors. Okay. So, like steam, like vapors means you know. So, that process is called the transpiration. Leaves throw out the excess water through stomata. That is called transpiration. Then the fourth one is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. To propagate new plant from a mother plant, there are some plants leaves we use to propagate new plant. That is one function. Leaves have buds on it. From these buds the new plant grows. That is called vegetative propagation. Example, bryophyllum. Okay, those leaves which we use to propagate the new plant. Then the last function is storage. What leaves store in it? Leaves store the excess food. Not all the leaves. Some leaves store the extra food which is prepared. Leaves prepare food, we know. The extra food, some of the leaves will store in it. That purpose, that is the function of, one of the function of leaf. Example, spinach leaves. Those leaves we can eat. Spinach, cabbage. These are the leaves which store food in it. That leaves we can eat. These are the 5 functions of leaves. First one is photosynthesis. In the lower classes we studied already. We know all that. Okay. Leaves prepare food for the entire plant. That process is called photosynthesis. For this photosynthesis, the leaves need chlorophyll in it, and then leaves absorb carbon dioxide, sunlight, and then with the help of water and chlorophyll it prepare food for the entire plant. Then leaves have small holes, small pores on it. That pores called stomata. Through that stomata it breathe in and out. That is one function, that is called exchange of gas. During daytime, leaves need carbon dioxide to prepare food for the entire plant. So it breathe in carbon dioxide during daytime and then breathe out oxygen. Then the third one is transpiration. Excess water which is there in the leaves through stomata, it throw out like steam, you can say, vapors. Okay, that is called transpiration. Then vegetative propagation, that there are some leaves, Some plants' leaves we use to propagate new plant. That is one of the function. And then storage. The excess food which is prepared already for the plant, that it stores in some of the plant's leaves. That is called storage. Example, spinach, then what else? Cabbage. These are the examples of storage, leaves which store the food in it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.